Hello children, in previous video we have learned how to find sum of zeros and product of zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Okay, now look at this problem. If alpha comma beta are zeros of polynomial x square plus x plus 1, then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, and options are 7, 9, 1 and minus 1. Okay, so first write what is the given polynomial. Here alpha and beta are zeros of f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1. Now by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, what is small e? Small a equal to 1, which is the coefficient of x square. Small b equal to 1. Small c is constant term, which is also 1. Okay. Now we have to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, where alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial. Now we have to convert this given expression in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, because we know sum of zeros alpha plus beta formula is minus b by a and alpha into beta formula c by a. Okay. Now what is the LCM of the denominators alpha and beta? Alpha into beta. Now here it would be beta and alpha. Now I am writing beta plus alpha as alpha plus beta, and denominator is alpha into beta. Now alpha plus beta sum of zeros formula minus b by a, and alpha into beta product of zeros formula c by a. Now what is alpha plus beta by alpha into beta? Alpha plus beta by alpha into beta can be written as minus b by a by c by a. Okay, so a get cancelled, will get minus b by c. Therefore 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, which is equal to alpha plus beta by alpha beta, equal to minus, what is b value? 1, and c value 1, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, now option D is the right option. Next, let's see the next question. See the next question. If alpha comma beta are zeros of a polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then find 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Okay, first we'll take f of x equal to x square plus bx plus c. Now alpha plus beta sum of zeros is minus b by a, and product of zeros is c by a. Okay, sum of zeros is minus x coefficient by x square coefficient, and alpha into beta product of zeros is c by a. Now we have to find 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. We have to simplify this in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now LCM of the denominators is alpha square beta square. Now it would be beta square plus alpha square. So beta square plus alpha square can be written as alpha square plus beta square by alpha square into beta square. Okay. Now we have alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value. Now alpha square plus beta square, it is a square plus b square. So to write in the form of a plus b, we have a formula that a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2 into a into b. Okay, see a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab, only a square plus b square. Why I am writing alpha square plus beta square in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta? Because here we have alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value. Okay, let us take this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And denominator alpha square plus beta, alpha square into beta square can be written as alpha into beta whole square. Now we can substitute alpha plus beta is minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta is c by a whole by c by a whole square. Okay, now let's simplify. B is alpha minus b by a whole square, minus whole square is plus, So b square by a square minus 2c by a whole by c square by a square. Okay. Now here take the LCM of the denominators, which is a square. Here it would be b square minus 2e into a into c. Okay. And this c square by a square can be written as a square by c square. Okay. I'm writing this denominator fraction in the numerator. Now a square will get cancelled. The answer would be b square minus 2ac whole by c square. Okay. So answer would be b square minus 2ac by c square, option D. Thank you.